And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Waltz gold level routine with the count. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, let's look from opposite direction. And 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, and we will start with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue with double reverse spin with ladies heel turn, and then we dance Contra Check, which is finished in promenade position. From here we dance left Whisk and Untwist in syncopated timing, continued by Underturned outside spin, after which we continue backwards into reverse Corte, and then outside spin, and after outside spin we will continue next figure forward. Very good, let's look once again from opposite angle. So we take close hold, and we will start with reverse figure with Fallaway reverse and slip pivot. We continue reverse rotation with double reverse spin with ladies heel turn and dance into Contra Check, which we finish in promenade position. From here we dance left Whisk, man untwists, lady goes around in syncopated timing. We continue with Underturned outside spin, and then reverse Corte and outside spin, after which we can continue next figure forward. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.